Yep, that much. Cool, hold on a second. I'm gonna add Butch to this phone call, aka Douglas here.
What's up, bud?
Yeah, I just got a shower and I'm ready to do more chores, so hold on a second. Hey, guess who joined our call, bro, Larry?
Hey, Larry, what's up, man? Cool.
Yeah. I got my nightlight on, not my nightlight, my flashlight on my camera on until we get to my kitchen. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I showered just tonight, so. What? Yeah, remember, Larry, I'm recording everything for YouTube, so. Just a little heads up. Gus? Gus? Why don't you? Yeah. So? That's why I fair warned you, bro. That is why I let you know during when your music playing. So. Because who knows, that might be somebody else's song. They might think you're plagiarizing it or copying it. So. Yeah. Yep. Which is kind of weird that YouTube does that, but I don't mind it at all. I no longer have access to music on there, so. And that's what I say, don't sing any music, or I'm not letting you know when I'm recording. So. Yep. Nope, just copyright, which sucks. That sucks, Larry. Back then, early days of YouTube, you can not use copyright, so. But you gotta remember, YouTube is different now, so technically it's not TikTok, where you can record your voice and start singing your own songs. You feel me? One of these days you're gonna just be filming like I do, like dishwashing or lawn mowing or something. Then you'd see the fun of it, Larry. Instead of listening to music or singing a song, you would see how much fun it is just to, I don't know, not sing a song and realizing you're still being recorded for YouTube, which is awesome. That's why TikTok is also fun to record on as well, for music and shit, so. Yep. Yep, TikTok doesn't do copy flag, so.
Yeah.
But that's the reason why I'm used, so. Or not used, sorry. Yeah. And the reason why I like to record a lot is because there's a lot of stuff in my brain I like to talk about. Like D&D, Magic the Gathering, a whole lot of mess that I like to clean up. And there's no reason for you to sit there and sing. February. But there is no reason for me to sing anymore, so on YouTube, besides copy laws. Yep. That's what they all say. Wham, wham. If I was president, I'd get rid of it. Not the copy laws, but people would say wham, wham a lot. Oh, I don't know, but there's a lot of people that do that. Yep. I'd be the better president for bad news people. I'd tell them, go take a hike. Nope, not a small valley either. Nope. I'd tell them get lost forever. Oh no, I'm not gonna be nice to the news people. I'd probably be mean to them. Like, all you news people go somewhere else. Actually, go screw it off. Yes, YouTube, I mean to the news people there. Just drive clean up. Like, drives you nuts, those news people. I I tell them go screw off. Nope. I make sure all the news cancels and news things, shows are canceled, and except for local news. And also football would be canceled for good. I make sure football goes in Canada. Eh? All football. That's including Boise State players too. I make sure football in America does not happen. I make sure hockey does happen, but not freaking football. I make sure it stays in Canada. And I would welcome all hockey players to my White House and pay that. I'd say fuck football. And fuck college football too. I'm not. That's why I would say when I'm president. I say screw football, like the NFL or college football. And I would welcome Canada's favorite team into the United States. That means Canada, you're welcome to the United States if I was President of the United States. Maybe. If you stop watching the news. Speaking of the news, I would probably let all the news anchors live in Canada. What do you say to that, Clay? All American news anchors and shit that depresses you and shit, I make sure they live in Canada. Oh, that'd be awesome for me to be that way in person. I make sure all the Democrats and Republicans get along. If they don't, I make sure there's a shot call on every Democrat. Like, if they badmouth my presidency, I basically would shock them. And see, the thing is, I'm not a Democrat or a Republican. I'm an independent. Let them. I'll have bodyguards up their ass. Being when it's like that, whatever happened, all of Fox News and stuff. Yeah, they never tell the truth, like. So, Butch, what would you say if I was President of the United States? What would you do?